The Chinese city of Wuhan recently lifted its strict quarantine measures. The Chinese city of Wuhan, where the coronavirus originated last year, has raised its official COVID-19 death toll by 50%, adding 1,290 fatalities. Hello everyone, we are trying to take some initiative to spread awareness about virus COVID-19, which is also known as corona. We are making content on coronavirus to spread awareness about this pandemic. Wuhan officials attributed the new figure to updated reporting and deaths outside hospitals. China has insisted there was no cover-up. It has been accused of downplaying the severity of its virus outbreak. Wuhan's 11 million residents spent months in strict lockdown conditions, which have only recently been eased. The latest official figures bring the death toll in the city in China's central Hubei province to 3,869, increasing the national total to more than 4,600. China has confirmed nearly 84,000 coronavirus infections, the seventh highest globally, according to Johns Hopkins University data. The virus has had a huge impact on the Chinese economy, which shrank for the first time in decades in the first quarter of the year. Follow our live reporting from around the world. Why China's claims of success raise eyebrows. What's China's explanation for the rise in deaths? In a statement released on Friday, officials in Wuhan said the revised figures were the result of new data received from multiple sources, including records kept by funeral homes and prisons. Deaths linked to the virus outside hospitals, such as people who died at home, had not previously been recorded. The statistical verification followed efforts by authorities to ensure that information on the city's COVID-19 epidemic is open, transparent and the data is accurate, the statement said. It added that health systems were initially overwhelmed and cases were mistakenly reported, in some instances counted more than once and in others missed entirely. A shortage of testing capacity in the early stages meant that many infected patients were not accounted for, it said. A spokesman for China's National Health Commission, Mi Feng, said the new death count came from a comprehensive review of epidemic data. In its daily news conference, the Foreign Ministry said accusations of a cover-up, which have been made most stridently on the world stage by U.S. President Donald Trump, were unsubstantiated. "We'll never allow any concealment," a spokesman said. Why are there concerns over China's figures? Friday's revised figures come amid growing international concern that deaths in China have been underreported. Questions have also been raised about Beijing's handling of the epidemic, particularly in its early stages. In December 2019, Chinese authorities launched an investigation into a mysterious viral pneumonia after cases began circulating in Wuhan. China reported the cases to the World Health Organization (WHO), the UN's global health agency, on the 31st of December. But WHO experts were only allowed to visit China and investigate the outbreak on the 10th of February, by which time the country had more than 40,000 cases. The mayor of Wuhan has previously admitted there was a lack of action between the start of January, when about 100 cases had been confirmed, and the 23rd of January, when city-wide restrictions were enacted. Around that time, a doctor who tried to warn his Wuhan's death toll increase of almost exactly 50% has left some analysts wondering if this is all a bit too neat. For months, questions have been asked about the veracity of China's official coronavirus statistics. WHO Director General Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus has hailed China for the speed with which it detected the outbreak and its commitment to transparency.
Thanks for watching. To stay updated about pandemic COVID-19, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon.